I'm Chef Gabby. I'm so excited to share with you some of the tricks that I have learned over the years working at restaurants as a caterer and as a culinary instructor in Venezuela, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. When I share a recipe with you, you don't have to run to the store to grab the exact ingredients that I'm using. My recipes are easy, flexible, and adaptable to your lifestyle and ingredients that you have at home. Hi, I'm Chef Gabby. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a creamy cauliflower sauce. Cheese and cauliflower provide a variety of nutrients including calcium and protein in cheese, vitamin C and folate in cauliflower. Most of kids and parents do not get the recommended amount of vegetables and dairy. This recipe is a great way to add vegetables and dairy to your meals. With this sauce, you can make mac and cheese, mix it with cooked rice to make a creamy risotto, put it on top of your nachos, or use it as a dipping sauce for your vegetables. Let's start cooking!
Ingredients: butter, garlic, onion, cauliflower, cheese, and milk. Turn on the heat to medium. Add the butter to the pot and dice the onion while the butter is melting. We are going to sauté the vegetables until they get a golden brown color. Sautéing the vegetables first helps to keep the veggies flavors vivid. Add chopped garlic. If you are out of garlic, you can use garlic powder. Cauliflower is a yummy vegetable packed with vitamin C. It's fun to try new vegetables in new ways. We will need around 2 cups of chopped cauliflower for this recipe. The smaller the dice, the faster it is going to cook. Frozen cauliflower or cauliflower rice are a great alternative to make this recipe faster. Let's mix our vegetables around and gather the rest of the ingredients and cook the pasta. You can use any kind of cheese. I recommend using cheddar, parmesan, or a blend of your favorite cheese. To cook the pasta, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add salt, and let's check our veggies. They just need a little bit more of color. Now that our veggies got a nice color, add water until the vegetables are covered and let it simmer until the veggies are soft. While the vegetables are cooking, let's cook the pasta following the package instructions. If you are meal prepping, when the pasta is al dente, drain and rinse with cold water. Shake well. This way, the pasta is going to stop cooking and is going to keep its texture perfect. Transfer the pasta back to the pot. Add olive oil and toss around. Let's check our veggies. And they are soft and ready.
Now that our vegetables are cooked, we are going to blend them with the milk.
Transfer the soft veggies to the blender and add the milk.
Every time that I use the blender, for safety, I like to put a kitchen towel on top. All of our vegetables are blended with the milk. We are going to transfer back to the pot and we are going to add the cheese. If you are using a cheese like mozzarella cheese that is pretty low in salt, you can add a little bit of salt. Otherwise, just wait until the end.
Bring heat to medium-low. Stir constantly, and when the sauce starts thickening, turn off the heat.
Now that our sauce is ready, let's try it. So delicious, it's so creamy and flavorful. Now let's mix it with our pasta. Our sauce is ready, our pasta is cooked, and I also sauté some mushrooms. Combining cauliflower, cheese, milk, and whole wheat pasta in this recipe is a way to balance taste and nutrition.
While I serve the pasta, I would like to share a fun fact with you. Did you know cheddar and parmesan cheese contain probiotics just like yogurt? Probiotics are good bacteria that help keep us healthy.
Our pasta is ready. Let's try it! This tastes amazing. I hope you enjoy this nutritious and delicious meal.